What do you do, y'all? Welcome to my channel once more. Let's go for another session. So this time I'm starting with 75 bucks, and the goal is to triple my balance. Okay, so in order to triple my balance, I need to make 150. So 75 plus 75 plus 75, that will take me to 225. Okay, so in order to reach 150 in 30 sessions, I need to make $5 per session in order to get to that cool. Okay, so my first target balance is 80 bucks. Okay, so let's go over to the table and let's see if we can reach 80 bucks on this casino. So I withdrew $5, 28 this morning. So let's see how it goes. So
Which is your favorite fruit?
25, 25, 13, 5, 25, 25, 13, and 5.
Congratulations, the best open was.
Okay, we got 22 by 7. 22 by 7 is the play here. We got a few splits. So 22 by
And
7.
time is
Let's go
placed.
to the
Best of luck.
progression. By 7, we're playing with here, 15 numbers. So we can go up to 7 spins on this one. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully it's not going to
Yes.
take that long. We get a hit. Ooh, it's looking good. 28. Yeah, 28. It's a
20
cool
black.
hit. 28. Okay.
But not all the types of the styles.
Okay. So
Ingredients in 20 black is
779.
range. The section is a high even number per scale and interdozens percent of plus the
We
winners.
got unique numbers
Congratulations,
coming
best of
up,
luck.
so we're gonna wait 4 more spins for those unique
You
numbers.
are a TikToker.
Okay, we
Winning
have
number
10
is
unique
one
numbers,
black
so we're
lounge one
gonna
number
pursue these 10 unique numbers.
1006 from the first dozen in first column. Many compliments to the winners. The bets are
10.
open black.
Put a split here. That's strange, actually. That's it.
The bets are closed black.
So first spin, best numbers here is 1, 2, 4, and 7. 4,
17 black.
17. That's close. 17.
The winning number is 17
So
black
yeah, that was
lounge
my
number
eight.
flying 6 and part of the second dozen in seventh column.
So second
My
spin,
compliments
we
to
are
the
here.
winners. The betting time is open black.
We have the 5 row. We have the 5 rub here, so
The bets
two,
are
four,
closed
five.
black.
No, oh, we got a hit here. So we got a new 5 rub, so 2, 4, 5. There you go, 5 rub. Number 4, okay, nice. Number 4, he has a split. And
The
we
winning
reached
number
the
is
session
4
target,
black
so
lounge one number part was on the first
80.48.
section from the first dozen in first column. My
80.48.
compliments to the
So
winners.
we
The
made
bets are open black.
7.31% there. So on the next session, we need to be at 85.65.
The bets are closed black.
85.65. Hold on. That was number 4. 17 and 4. What's this? 28 by 8. I
16
think that's a
red.
hit. 16.
The winning
No.
number is 16 red, lounge one number, tier 6, and
Okay,
part
we
of the
got
second
black,
dozen in
high,
first column.
even.
My compliments to our winners. The betting time is now open
So
black.
16. Okay, 16. That's a good number. Black, high, even. So we could go. It's just
The bets
5
are
numbers, yeah?
closed black.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. 5 numbers. We can come over here to this one. And yeah, we're gonna go with this trigger.
10 black.
10 black.
The winning number is 10 black, lounge one number, tier
10
6,
black.
and part of the
So
first dozen
because
in
16
second.
is right next to our number, so
My compliments to
what's
the
the number?
winners. The bets are open black.
No,
The bets are closed
forget
black.
about it. Forget about the double streets. Nice.
black.
20. Okay.
The winning number is 20 black, high the number on
20.
5
So
steps.
we're
Some
happy
find
now.
the second as in second column. My come to
All the winners bets are
Okay, we got 24 by 5. So 24 by 5. We also have black odd eye coming up. So let's see if we can catch
Let's
this
hear it,
24
Lewis.
by
Good
5.
luck.
Is missing for 12 spins. And we got the group black odd eye missing for 30 spins. So 24. 23, I think that's a hit. Yeah, that's a hit. Okay, so
Winning number
86
for
by
this round
7,
from the TR
23.
section, we got 23. Red,
So
congratulations to all the winners.
so in
Bets
order
are
to play this
open.
black
Thank
odd
you.
eye, he has to come. So we can see that 35 is here, 29, 31, 33. Those are the four numbers that we are looking to play. And I usually only play them when the ball
That's
comes and
right,
lands
Lewis. Good
next
luck.
to the number. So 3, 12, 7, 18, 9, 14, 1, 16 are my triggers in order to play those four numbers. 20 back to 24. But yeah, as you can see, we
Winning
got
number
2
for
up.
this round 24. Block from the TR section.
So in the meantime, so
To all the winners,
23,
bets are open.
oh, 23, 23, 24, 24. So yeah, 86.57. So let's update the spreadsheet and how about uh,
That's right, Lewis.
86.57.
Good luck,
So we
everyone.
made $7 there. Oh, 7%, 7% there. Let's have a look.
Winning number for
24.
this round
Yeah,
from
he's just not playing ball,
the TR
so we might as
section.
well hop out while we're ahead because
Congratulations to all the winners.
he's
Bets are
not playing
open.
ball. It might take a while for us to get a hit on this thing. So I had the bet ready here. So this would be the bets, $1 bet. So the main numbers are those four numbers. But these double
That's right,
streets
Lewis.
and
Good
the
luck,
four squares,
everyone.
they are just complementaries. So let's say if the ball comes and lands on 28, 30, 36, 32, 34, then we don't lose all of it. So we lose a little bit, but not all of it. That's the whole idea. But yeah, he's just
Winning
not
number
playing
for
ball. So
this round
21, as you can
21.
see,
Red from
it
the
can take a while
wholesale
to get it
section.
to
Congratulations to
start
all the winners.
landing on these numbers. So right now he's not landing down here, so the ball has to start landing down here so we could start placing the bets. But until then, we just let it roll. So 24 was the one very close to it. So number
That's right,
21 is
Lewis. Good luck,
right
everyone.
here. 24, 24, 23, too far away. So the ball has to start landing here in order for us to go ahead. But yeah, I'm not going to go ahead. I'm just going to leave it as it is. I will try some other time. But yeah, just to show you. Oh, 29. 29 right on the dots.
Winning
So that
number
would
for
be,
this round from the
so
wholesale
it took
section. We got 29.
5 spins. So 5 spins would
Congratulations to
be
all the winners.
on
Bets
the
are
fifth
open.
progression right here. So that would give us a 1.1 net profits. That was 29. So 29, we would have a hit over here, double
That's right,
splits. So
Lewis.
that would
Good luck,
be
everyone.
3.6, 5.4 plus these double streets. So that would be probably about $7 net profit, $7 profit. But because we already spent a buck, well, $5, so that would be probably $2 net profit
Any winning number
on
for this round
35, the
from the
35.
wholesale section. 36.
So yeah, that's it, guys.
To
Two
all the winners.
sessions done. I'm happy with the progress. So we've made 1157 on these two sessions. So stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.